Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. Today, we're going to be closing out our March 2025 second paycheck of the month to try and close out March. Now, there are going to be a few things I think that have not completely cleared, but we will reallocate them or leave them as rollover in that case. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. You know, you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's $3.99. It costs you nothing. Zip, zero, zero, nada to hit that red subscribe button. So if you would, I'd really appreciate that. If you don't want to hit the subscribe button because you don't know me yet and you just your first time here, please at least hit the like button if you do like the video. So let's get into allocating out. No, let's close out our March paycheck, the last paycheck in March. We made myself a little small and let's get started. So over here, you'll see my main operating account. It's called Tara's Major Keys. And we're going to get down to a part where we last left off that would make the most sense to us to get started. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. All right, so I believe we could start somewhere around here where we see that $1 from Navy Federal did clear the bank. So over here, everything that you see, we're working on this paycheck right here. Let me see if I can make it slightly larger. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it doesn't. So we're working on this last March second paycheck. Things that are in green mean that they have already cleared the bank. And the point of this exercise, closing out the paycheck budget, is to make sure that everything that is in has money in it, becomes green, or gets rolled over. So let's try and find our dollar for Navy Federal. That should be under savings. And there it is. $1 cleared the bank. And when every time we do clear something, we make it green. I think I said that. I'm so sorry, y'all. Excuse me. Still a little allergy-ish, so please excuse that. And then we have Nissan, the second half of our car payment under the debt section would be $233.50 right there. We're going to go ahead and mark that green because we can see that also cleared the bank. Comcast came out for $80 right there. Our internet, that also cleared the bank. Then we have our mortgage, $1,308.26. We can see that cleared the bank as well. $27.14, that's part of our security. That's the service fee, and that cleared the bank. Then we have $190 and $190. Basically, that was me putting $190 in for our gas and our self-care and our giving envelope to take out in cash. As you can see, I moved it from month ahead variables over to withdrawal. And that is all we have, you guys. So now you can see that we do still have some things that are not in clear. So Apple Store is 99 cents. We will roll that over. So let's just keep track with the calculator here. We're going to roll over 99 cents to pay on April 1st. Because we don't get a check until April 2nd or 3rd. We're going to pay our Apple bill through the Apple program. They don't let you do it ahead of time because I have a zero balance. I can't put the 99 cents on there. So we will roll this over. And actually for this purpose, I think we'll go ahead and make this a different color just so we can keep track. We're rolling that over. $40 is for the gym, also not due till April 1st. So when I go there on Monday, I will pay this. What I will do with this is I'll transfer this money over into gym. And then when I get to that date, I will just move it. So it's going to go from Tara Major Keys to Gym Vibes. Right there. And then we're going to move over $40. And this is going to be for our April monthly fee. Review from Tara's Major Keys to Gym Vibes, transfer. So now that successfully has been moved, you can see the money went down. We'll go ahead and mark that in green. And when I'm ready to pay that, I'll just move it back into my operating account and sell it to her. And then we have our $43.20 for security equipment. It is weird that this has not come out yet because I can see that over here in the actual credit card, it shows that the 43, where is it? That's a canceled payment. Did I scroll past it going too quickly? Yeah, so the 43.20, as you can see, they say it came out, but it hasn't actually come out of my account yet. So I'm going to leave it there for rollover. So meaning I'm just going to leave it sitting in the account because when it clears, I want that money to be sitting there. Okay. Now we have, and that was it. That's all that came out. So what else we have not in green? Let's just keep scrolling down here. Green grass. What's this? That should be green. We definitely moved the HVAC money over. Oh, that's it. Okay, guys. So we have 9102. Let's see if that's what we actually have left to make sure that's what we should have. So we're going to add everything that's not green still. So the 99 cents plus, I don't know why this little border is over here. I don't like that. 99 cents plus the 43.20 plus whatever is left in our buffer, which is 46.83. So that 9102. We love to see it. Okay, we're gonna do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight. Get down tonight. Y'all know how big I am on celebrate all the wins. Something as small as getting it right. Yes, because we don't always get it right. So when we do, we're excited about it. Okay. So 9102 is our balance, which is perfect. So now, in order to close this out, I know that I actually have $46.83 left in my buffer. That money is going to go into, because what I want left in this bank account to roll really is just the 43.20 plus the 99 cents. So I really only want to be left with 44.19, y'all. So I'm going to transfer $46.83 over to my monthly savings challenges because that's where we can stuff it into other things. So not month ahead. That. So in our monthly savings challenges, we're going to move that $46.83, and that's to stuff savings and review. So we're going to go from 46.83 from Tara's Major Keys to my monthly saving challenges. We're going to transfer that. We're going to have what? Success. And we should have $44.19 left showing at the end. And we do. So when the credit card money comes out, that will clear. And when I pay my Apple card, that will clear. So this 46.83 is going to go under other. Other should be, I'm going to put monthly savings challenges just for now. Monthly savings challenges. And that, let's get back to March, was 40, what was it, y'all? What did we move? 46.83. Did we take it out of the buffer? No, we'll make it 0. So now, and we can mark that as green because we did actually move that money. I don't think I marked in anything. All right. And so then we just have these two things in pink that are going to be rolled over. And so we have $0 balance, zero-based budget, which is always where we're trying to go to. So we have a little money left, but these are going to pay bills. You guys understand that. So it's not 0 in my account, but it will eventually get to 0 after the 1st. And then our actual budget here is zeroed out for March, so we can start April on a good foot, as well as we have all the bills paid and everything has been accounted for. So that is the end of our March budget. If you've made it this far and you really enjoyed the video, I would prompt you to please consider subscribing. At this point, it's free $99. So there's no reason for you to not hit that red subscribe button. If not, and you're not convinced yet, that's fine. Just go ahead and hit the like button. The algorithm likes it, and I appreciate it. If you want to go as far as sharing it with a friend or family member that you think this would help, definitely do that. If you're interested in the spreadsheet you see me using, it is in the link down below under my Ko-Fi shop. It's very inexpensive, less than coffee. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And remember, it's always faith over fear. And I love you. Mean it. Bye.